video is about how we got fired. Hello. In this video, me and Nastya, we're taking a little break.
A little break.
A little 2-hour break to cycle to the sea. It's not our lunchtime. It's not even a day off. It's a proper working day.
And we will submit this time in Jira like we were working on some tasks.
Поросшуюся поглядеть, что там у тебя отбывается, а ты обгоняешь некую женщину.
Все. А можно фото?
Можно показывать.
Не, я не буду фотографировать.
Гляди, куди ми доїхали.
I show you the sea.
Oh,
Боже мой.
the last sunny day this year. Не угнаться.
Нет, я боюсь на митингу попасть.
Tell me more about your cycling experience. Have you ever cycled during your working day?
That's my first time cycling during my working hours.
So technically you get paid for cycling right now.
Sure.
Nice.
I will get paid.
So you're almost like a professional cyclist. So you get money for
my riding, for my cycling.
Have you ever ridden a dropbar bike?
What is drop?
This is a drop bar basically.
That's my first
So
time
that's a
using
good answer. Yeah, that's already an answer basically.
But I think it's pretty comfortable. I don't know how to describe the situation with these
Drop bars. Drop bar. With the brakes.
brakes. But I think I will be more confident in them.
You'll get used to it.
Okay.
Do you think this skill will be useful when we'll be looking for a job?
I think yes.
We can find a good job actually in Glovo or Uber Eats.
Actually, I mean that a lot of guys like in my team, they are like they're main hobby is cycling, so like they like people with similar hobbies. I thought about this.
Okay, but if they fire you for taking this long break today, basically, I think we'll just go to Uber Eats, right?
Yeah, we could.
Or Glovo, or delivery rule, whatever.
I think we would be the best in our profession.
We would be getting the biggest tips, basically.
Yes.
Biggest.
That's beautiful.
Yeah.
And fast.
Beautiful and fast and beautiful. That's
the son of Metallica.
That's the name for a new cycling channel.
Yeah.
Fast and beautiful.